asked him to step out of the car.
No, he.
Get out of the car,
Watch her, watch her.
Yes, hi, sir. This is Midwestern Texas. There's a female across the street from my site screaming on the top of her lungs to be let go and not get pushed into a car at a gas station. And I don't know the actual address. All I know is it's a Marathon, I believe.
Marathon gas station. Are you on Sullivan?
Yes, sir.
All right.
By that drive-through?
Yes. He said that female screaming not to be pushed in the car.
Yeah, not to get pushed in the car. There's a couple of people surrounding her, and she's just screaming on the top of her lungs for help.
Okay.
She's just screaming, get away from me, get away from me. And then there's an individual saying no. And I can hear it all the way across the street. Just all I can see is a female, and then a whole bunch of people, and then a black male being as loud as her, just smacking his fist back and forth. That's it.
What vehicle? Which vehicle?
Están peleando ahí en la tienda.
Which vehicle?
Ahí están.
Tan one?
Ahí.
A vehicle
Yes,
by building?
yes, yes.
Ma'am, drop the tire iron, please. What's going on? What's going on?
We fixing the tire.
Well, what's yours? Are you with this white guy? Okay, and these two were traveling in the lane next to you with actual vehicle collision. Threaten you at all? Okay. Turn the vehicle off, take the keys out of the ignition right now.
Huh?
Take the keys out of the ignition right now.
For what?
Step out of the car.
Why I gotta step out the car?
Step out of the car. Let's go. Step out of the car.
Why?
Forward.
What?
Face forward.
Hold up. Why that?
Face.
You're not telling me what? You're not telling me what? You're not telling me. You're not telling me why.
190, 10-3.
You're not telling me why. What I do? What I do? What I do? What I do, bro?
Just trying to talk to you.
I'm trying to talk to you. What I do? What did I do, bro? You're not telling me what I do.
I know you gotta get his side of the story too. You can't just.
What I do? You ain't telling me what I do, bro.
Get out of the fucking car. Get out of the fucking car.
I will get out. You're not telling me what I did, dog.
Well, I tried to talk to you, so get out of the fucking car.
Then you grabbed me.
I asked you to step out, and you pulled away. Get out of the fucking car.
We don't have no weapons, sir.
I don't have no gun.
Get out of the fucking car.
I don't have a gun. You fucking hurting me, man.
Then get out of the car.
I know you didn't even ask him what. You didn't even.
I asked him to step out of the car.
No, he.
Get out the car,
Watch her, watch her.
Oh,
Get on the ground. Spin. Spin. Roll him, roll him, roll him. Get him out, get him out. Watch your hand, watch your hand. Stop resisting. Get on the ground. Spin. Spin. Roll him, roll him, roll him. Get him out, get him out. I got this hand.
I got this hand over here.
Can you get that other hand out, James?
I got you. I'm holding on to it. Ready?
Roll him over a little bit. Yep.
I didn't do shit.
Well, don't fight with the police. Hey, get that back!
Stop resisting.
Okay, I don't care. Back up. Back up. I got this hand.
I got this hand over here. Right, he's not gonna be able to pull it
Can you
out
get
there.
that other hand out, James? I'm trying.
I got you. I'm holding on to it. Ready?
Roll him over a little bit. Yep.
I didn't do shit.
Well, don't fight with the
Fucking
police.
stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Okay, you need to back up. Back up.
I didn't do nothing.
Okay, well, the officer's close.
Stop
When
that.
I asked you to step out of the car, you should have stepped out of the car.
You good in cuffs? Yeah. All right. There's a 33A on the scene. See it. Got you.
See what you got?
All right, roll him on his side.
I didn't do shit.
Fine.
I didn't do shit.
Don't fight with the 5-0.
I wasn't trying to fight.
Yeah, you were. You were 100% fighting with
I
that.
swear to God, I just didn't know what he was trying to do to me.
Then shut up and listen.
I was scared.
Well, is this less scary than what you were hoping was going to happen?
I was scared because they're always killing everybody,
Well,
man.
you're still alive.
Good? Yeah. Good work. Not really. It doesn't matter. You held your own until we fucking got here.
In my pocket.